I lost power, I'd be disconnected from Instagram and I wouldn't know what was going on in the world. So much better. Today I'm going to show you how to install these really cool Leviton residential outlets. They also have a built-in USB charger for type A and C. Gather these supplies, then locate your circuit box and turn off the circuit to the outlet that you're going to work on. So we're finishing up with the Saving Out project, and all the things that are being done are all the finishing touches. This is the time that I like to pay attention to details and make sure that everything looks perfect. That's why I like the Leviton's variety of products where you can pick a color that's going to match your cabinets or your wall or wherever you want to use it. The other cool thing about this outlet is that I can charge my phone on it because it has a USB charging port. So next time you're getting ready to renovate your house or your kitchen or whatever, look into Leviton outlets and see if there's one that will fit your decor. Step one would be to go ahead and purchase the Leviton duplex outlet that has the USB chargers. Then you're going to go ahead and attach the bare wire to the green screw, which is your ground screw. Locate the silver screw on your outlet. This is where the white wire is going to attach to. Next, look for the gold screw, and you're going to go ahead and attach your black or hot wire to this screw. Gently tug on the wires to make sure that they're secured to the outlet, then gently fold the wiring and tuck your outlet into the junction box. Now attach the color-coordinated outlet cover. Then turn your circuit back on and check to make sure that your outlet gets power. And you're done. Silencio.